Hello everyone, I'm going to start my homework. Played, cleaned, snowed, closed, filled, stayed, brushed, laughed, pushed, watched, danced, walked, waited, painted, shouted, wanted, landed, departed, cats, snacks, sports, stamps, doors, bees, animals, things, hoses, daisies, surprises, bushes. And then I repeat the poem one day. Mondays to Fridays, gets off, works to the station, waits for the train, gets off at the first stop, works to the office, sits in the office, has lunch, sits in the office, works to the stations, comes home, thinks one day, Saturdays and Sundays, gets up late, does the washings, goes shopping, comes home, watches TV, goes out, eats out, comes home, watches TV, thinks one day, gets up early, goes to the station, waits for the train, doesn't get off at the first stop, doesn't get up at the fifth stop, stays on the train. Where does it go? Watches through the window. Thanks for watching.